When you first get to the computer, you'll need to hit Control-Alt-Delete on the keyboard to bring on this logon screen. Then your username is 047, your last name, and your first initial. If you have a two-part last name, like a hyphen with a hyphen in between or with a space in between, it may include both of those. If you have a brother or sister that has the same first name as you, then you may need to add a second letter to your first name. So like this would be FI. And then your password is your 6-digit ID number. Once you type that in, make sure it's set to RRISD and then click OK. It'll give you a message that it's applying the settings. Just wait. Once you get logged in, you'll see that you have the different items on your desktop as well as the start menu. And there, if you go up to Programs, over to Accessories, and then down to either Calculator or Paint, you can use those as additional applications. Once you're logged in, the next thing we're going to take a look at is saving a Word document. So this also will work for any type of document that you're using. So here I've got my file. I want to click on the orb in the upper left corner. I want to go down to where it says Save As, and then go over where it says Word 97 through 2003 document. The reason you want to choose this one is so that if you're using an older computer that does not have the new Office, you can still open it from that computer. In this drop down, you're going to make sure that the one that says 047 and then your last name and the first initial, and it's got an H at the end, is the one that you're saving it to. Once you're in there, you can change the file name to something that makes sense to you. So if I'm working on an alien rescue project and these are going to be my alien rescue notes, then I could call this Alien Rescue Notes, and I can save it by clicking on the Save icon. Once you saved your file the first time using Save As, you can save it anytime after that by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and the letter S, or by clicking on this blue icon in the upper left-hand corner. I recommend saving your work often. Anytime you stop and think, after every sentence that you write, save, save, save.